Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 13th of August 2014 market review. The trade for today, regards to the newsletter, is called Vodacom. Code is VOD. Last traded price is 127 Rand. This could be a buying opportunity, means you are going to go long. Entry level is 126 Rand 69. If it breaks this blue dotted line, just under the blue dotted line. Target is 133 Rand 66, and you can use the stop loss of 123 Rand 20. Open trades at this moment is called African Rainbow Minerals. Action there was a sell opportunity. The entry level was 194 Rand 50, currently trading at 191.70, and the target is 177 Rand 48. Please keep note on the top 40. Now the top 40, the blue line is the index movement. It's still trading above the 5-day moving average as well as the 20-day moving average. Please take note of this. It's currently trading above it. Let's go to certain indexes. The Dow Jones. That closed last night very flat on 9 points negative. There's still a bit of uncertainty what's happening in Ukraine. So looking at the index, it came down, and it's currently testing this very important level for me on 16,577 points. Currently they're 18 points positive in early futures prices for the opening at 3:30 this afternoon. So the big question here will be, is this a pattern of a leg, shoulder, head, shoulder, and if it breaks this pattern, this could be a positive pattern formation going back to 16,874 points. So here's a little reversal hidden shoulder pattern forming. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, is at the bottom, started to rise again. Looking at your moving averages, here's a 21-day moving average, that's the green line. Red line is the 89-day moving average, and here's your 200-day moving average, the purple line. Currently came close to the purple line. Similar pattern is starting to form here as well as here, and that is what you call a reversal head and shoulder pattern. The last point could be starting to get positive. The big question is, can it break 16,577 points? And the latest one is 16,710 points. So keep a close eye on this one. J200. That's the top 40 shares on the JSE. Currently trading here on the green line after 21-day moving average. Calling up your Bollinger Bands. It's testing the middle band on the Bollinger Bands as well. Now we need to see if this is also going to be a kind of a pattern that could break this green line and go further higher, or test it and break down. So very important, next day or two is going to play a big role on a reversal breakdown or physically a breakup happening. Let's go and look at a few shares quickly on the market. You can look at Shoprite coming down, tested this 160 Rand level, came down, tested at 156 level, current close, trading close to the 158 level. Any time this 160 is going to play a big role if the downward side is going to start going positive again. Looking at some indicators, there's a bit of a lift up there, not huge. Stochastics also breaking up, RSI also breaking a bit up, and your MACD is still trading, the black line is trading under the green line here. Not a confirmation for breakups yet. Okay, look at Mr. Price. Now Mr. Price is close to the 196.38 level, currently trading at 198. Started to trade sideways between this low here and this high here. This low is 196 and high is 206. Looking at your indicators, you can see this share is starting to get comfortable here at the bottom, and it could be most probably, look at your stochastic, also comfortable here at the bottom, and look at your RSI, also comfortable on the average lows here. So we need to see if there's going to be a pull up. Now the only time you're going to see a pull up if the Dow Jones starts to follow this pattern upwards. The J200, that's the top 40 shares, start to break this pattern upwards as well. Let's go to Woolies. Now Woolies is also here at the bottom, tested this level of 78 Rand, currently trading close to the 80 Rand. If it breaks 81.10, upward channel. But if it breaks 7837, definitely more downward channel happening here. Let's go and look at some bank shares. Barclays still in a sideways pattern. Current low is 166.65, current high is 170. Standard Bank currently also in a sideways pattern between 144 and 146 at this moment. Let's go and look at some telecommunications. MTN losing a bit of momentum as we discussed it yesterday on this top here. Look at UWR starting to come down here. Look at your stochastics. Also toppies didn't turn as yet. RSI also coming a bit down there. And you will see the MACD is trading far from the green line, showing no breakdown as yet. Keep a close eye on this specific one as well. Vodacom. Now, the Vodacom's trading range is currently 124.65, 127.43. Big question is, can it break this range here that's sideways? Anytime if it breaks it, you can see higher movements going back here to the 132, 134 level in the short term. These levels here. Looking at your indicators there, there's a bit of a push up, showing still in a sideways pattern here. Stochastics pushing up, going to the average here. RSI also breaking a bit up here. Remember, the company is also bringing results out very soon, and there's a good dividend pay as well. So you're going to see traders look at this MACD breaking up here. You can most probably see traders going to trade for this dividend yield here to gain a bit of dividends on the specific trade. So let's see how it can move up. Investec, it's a share that I'm currently tracking at this moment in the short term. In a downward channel, broke up here from 88 Rand, going close to the 93 Rand. Need to see if you can break the 93.50 and go back to the high levels here, close to 98 Rand. Or will it go in a downward cycle? Look at this indicator starting to break up nicely here. Look at your stochastics also breaking up, your RSI also breaking up. And here's the MACD getting closer to the green line turning. That is a positive indication. Wait for your confirmations. IPL is Imperial, trading to the side. Current high is 200 Rand, current low 196, current high 200. So let's see what the market brings up, and enjoy your trading.